Stop what you're doing. If you're about to walk into a store and spend $700, $800, or even $1,000 on a brand new washing machine, put your wallet down for the next few minutes. Some of the brands sitting at the top of those store shelves right now are genuinely terrible. They are not just mediocre, they are genuinely bad. And the worst part is that most people buy them without knowing, get burned in the first year, and never find out there were two far better options sitting right next to them the whole time. I went through real repair technician data, actual service call records, and documented consumer reports to build this list. This list is built on straight-up numbers, not sponsored content or brand deals. And what those numbers revealed made me genuinely angry on your behalf. So let's talk about the washers you need to walk right past. And then I'll show you the only two machines worth your money in 2026. Let's start with Whirlpool. Specifically, the Whirlpool WT8405CW This machine looks great in the store. It carries a load and go detergent dispenser, a removable agitator in the middle, and a shiny 5.3 cubic foot drum that feels roomy and serious. You might expect high quality from a classic American brand that has been making washers for decades, but the reality is disappointing. Real technicians who fix washers for a living have moved Whirlpool down to what they call a secondary tier. They use many cheap plastic parts that stop working fast. The machine breaks down far more often than Whirlpool machines from 10 years ago, and repair bills pile up quickly. The high price tag only buys you a detergent dispenser that you could easily replace by pouring detergent yourself. This thing charges a premium price and hands you a premium headache in return. Samsung is a completely different kind of problem. Their washers look impressive. They feature touchscreens, Wi-Fi connectivity, and sleek silver panels, making your laundry room look like a technology showroom. But nobody talks about what happens when a Samsung washer breaks down. And unfortunately, a lot of them do. There are 0 certified Samsung appliance repair technicians available in many areas across the country. This means your $900 machine sits in your laundry room dead, while you call repair shops one by one, only to hear that they do not service Samsung. While weeks go by, you are forced to haul laundry bags to the local laundromat. This is the Samsung experience nobody puts in the promotional videos, leaving you with a beautiful machine and nowhere to fix it. Then there's the GE GTW8525CW. GE markets this as a solid, affordable top loader for everyday families. That sounds reasonable as an affordable and decent option, but data pulled from over 33,000 actual service calls tells a completely different story. This machine posts a 7.0% service rate in its very first year. That means nearly 1 in every 14 people who buy this thing have to call a repair technician before the machine even hits its first birthday. That is a high rate of failure for a new appliance. You bring it home, run it for a few months, and there's a real chance it just quits on you. It contains cheap parts and offers no built-in protection against overloading, which is a track record that should embarrass the manufacturer. You should walk past it. Instead of these models, you should consider only 2 machines. Each one earned its spot here for reasons that go way beyond marketing. The first is the Speed Queen TC5, model TC5003WN. This machine is built completely differently from everything else available right now. It lacks digital touchscreens, Wi-Fi apps, or trendy smart sensors that claim to learn your habits. What it does have is a heavy metal transmission, metal components throughout, and a build quality that looks and feels like it belongs in a commercial laundromat. This is because the company primarily manufactures machines for commercial use, and the TC5 is their residential version built to that same demanding standard. When you open the lid and look inside, you can feel the difference. You will find no hollow plastic rattling, only solid, serious construction. The numbers behind the Speed Queen TC5 are highly favorable compared to the competition. Its service rate sits at just 4.6%. Compare that directly to GE's 7.1% first-year failure rate for standard top loaders, and the gap becomes impossible to ignore. The most surprising figure is the warranty. They provide a 5-year warranty covering both parts and labor. Most brands hand you a 1-year warranty and wish you luck. Speed Queen hands you 5 full years of complete coverage, backed by a machine designed to last up to 25 years. Your kids could inherit this washer, and it would still run clean cycles. The only honest trade-off is capacity. At 3.2 cubic feet, it runs smaller than most modern machines, which means larger households might feel the squeeze during heavy laundry days. The upfront price runs higher too. But when a machine lasts 25 years and rarely breaks, the long-term math works out in your favor every time without question. The second machine is built for people who need size and smart technology without gambling on reliability. The LG WT8405CW. LG has spent years quietly building some of the most dependable modern washers on the market, and this model represents the best version of that work. It holds 5.3 cubic feet, which means full king-size comforters, giant loads of towels, and everything a busy household throws at it are all handled in a single wash. This means you do not have to split loads in half or run second cycles. For a family of 4 or 5, that matters enormously on a Sunday afternoon when everyone needs clean clothes by Monday morning. What separates the LG WT8405CW from other large-capacity smart washers is the AI sensing technology built directly into its operation. Before each cycle starts, the machine reads the actual weight of your clothes and automatically adjusts the water level and wash settings to match. Your laundry gets exactly the right treatment every time, without you changing a single dial. And that sensor-driven approach is a big part of why this machine stays reliable where others collapse. It's not running full power on a small load and stressing its own components unnecessarily. Smart operation protects the machine just as much as it protects your clothes. LG ranks at the very top of reliability data for modern smart washers year after year. This position reflects consistent, documented performance rather than a lucky streak. The WT8405CW also features an easy unload design that makes pulling out heavy, soaking wet laundry far less of a struggle. You will not have to wrestle with a tangled mess jammed at the bottom of a deep drum. If your household runs 4 or 5 loads a week and you want actual technology built into the machine rather than just decorative screens slapped onto a mediocre frame, this is the one. So here's exactly where you stand. You walk into a store or open a shopping tab online, and the Whirlpool, the Samsung, and the basic GE are all sitting right there, looking polished and priced to pull you in. Now you know what's actually behind those price tags. Those lower prices conceal fragile plastic parts built to fail, repair deserts where no technician will service the unit, and first-year failure rates that should disqualify these products entirely. You don't have to fall for any of it. Your laundry room deserves better than a beautiful machine that fails you in year 1. Buy smart and buy once. You have 2 reliable options. If you want to buy something once and genuinely never think about it again for the next 2 decades, you buy the Speed Queen TC5. It is a metal, rugged machine that is warranted for 5 full years and built to outlast almost everything else in your house. If you need a larger, smarter machine that handles a full family's laundry without flinching, you buy the LG WT8405CW. Those are your 2 options in 2026. Everything else carries risk you simply don't need to take.